Welcome to Peter Hedman's cab, a Volvo FH from 2013. Got your sunglasses handy? Then it's safe to enjoy this multi-award winning truck that truly leaves all others in the shade. Peter's mean clean machine spends its days powering through forests in the Dalarna region of Sweden. It transports oil, petrol and diesel locally. The front has been totally rebuilt, and Peter believes there is only one other truck in Europe that has this particular front mounting. Seriously impressive. Okay, time to move indoors. Peter did 95% of the interior job himself and installed 30 kilogram extra sound dampening mats in the cab to avoid noise resonance. A varnished interior with modified seats and roof is beautifully topped off by this illuminated Volvo sign. Peter loves his truck and doesn't much care if others don't. Quite right. He's won his previous 2 styling competitions and at this rate is going to need more dashboard space for all those trophies.